Hi guys, I'm Ella Hinugin from the Bachelor of Early Childhood Education presenting the SAM-R model. The SAM-R model is a framework created by Dr. Ruben Pentedura that categorizes 4 different degrees or classroom technology integration. It was originally to address technology integration as a whole. Over the past several years, has become increasing use to address one-over-one implementation, especially tablet devices. The SAM-R model was created to share a common language across disciplines as a teacher strive to personalize learning and help students visualize complex concepts. It can be especially powerful during remote and blended learning when integrated classroom technology makes teaching and learning a more seamless experience for educators and students. The SAM-R model consists of 4 steps, which are the substitution, augmentation, modification, and redefinition. As you can see, substitution and augmentation strategies is used to enhance learning and add value, whereas modification and redefinition stages harness to transform learning and make new things possible. Substitution. Substitution strategies can save you time and space by cutting back on labor-used pen and paper tasks. Instead of printing out 20+ paper resources that clog the cupboard, you can use technology to manage resources with just a few clicks. Augmentation. At the augmentation stage, technology adds something to be the learning process beyond just a convenience. It also allows for the introduction of more independent and student-centric learning. By using technology as a source of information, students can start actively learning without requiring constant teacher-led instruction. Modification. At the modification stage, technology is used to design interactive and dynamic tasks that go beyond the limitation of a traditional classroom. For example, students can collaborate on shared documents or work in large groups, allowing for seamless collaboration and knowledge sharing. This peer-to-peer work nurtures a more cooperative and dynamic class culture. Redefinition. Redefinition sees you using technology to make entirely new learning opportunities possible. Redefining learning has the potential to connect learning with the real world and produce authentic outcomes. It also gives students strong technological soft skills such as digital collaboration, communication, technological literacy, and the ability to adapt to new systems and processes. To summarize it, the SAM-R model is a framework that helps educators integrate technology into teaching by describing 4 levels of technology use. At the substitution level, technology directly replaces traditional tools without changing the task. Augmentation adds enhancements, improving efficiency or functionality. At the modification stage, technology significantly redesigns the learning task, enabling more collaborative or creative activities. Finally, redefinition involves using technology to create entirely new tasks that were previously impossible, fostering deeper engagement and innovation. The model encourages teachers to move beyond basic uses of technology and toward transforming learning experiences.